Good morning, everyone. It's Monday morning and it's time for our common exception words. Let's work through them then. Door, floor, pour. Because, kind, find, mind, behind, child, wild, children, climb, most, only, both, old, cold, gold, hold, told, every, great, break, steak, pretty, after, beautiful, fast, last, past, father, class, grass, pass, plant, path, bath, hour, move, prove, improve, sure, sugar, I, could, would, should, who, whole, any, many, clothes, busy, people, water, again, half, money, Mr, Mrs, parents, Christmas, everybody, even, 20, 30. Well done, everyone. You read them all. Well done. Okay, right, let's move back and have a look at our tricky words for today. Okay. Hello, everyone, it's Monday. Welcome back. It's Tricky Word Day. Yippee. Time for you to read some words. What's tricky about this word? Okay, everyone, have a go at reading this word then. Brilliant. It's the word everybody. Now, what's tricky about it? Well, yeah, if you said that the ER is a bit tricky, it is because it's in this word. Every. The Y says E in this word. And so in the middle and at the end, everybody. So this part's tricky, and the Y's both say E in this word. Let's move on. Ooh, what's this word? Yeah, even. Well done if you said that. What's tricky about it? Oh, this word's not too tricky, is it? Because we can sound it out with split digraph. Okay, let's move on then. What's this word? Have a go at reading that. Brilliant, it's the word 20. And what? You can sound that one out, I think. The E sound at the end. The Y is the E sound at the end. And do you know this one? Well done. It's 30. And again, it's a little bit tricky because the Y at the end says E, but we've looked at that quite a few times. Great. Can you find the common exception words hidden near other words? Right. I want you to pause the video and see if you can find all 4 of them. Great. You should have paused the video and found them. Let's have a look at where they are. So there's 20. There's even. You can see 30. And finally, there's everybody at the end. Super. Can you find and read the tricky words in these sentences? Okay, pause the video, read the sentences, and then listen to the video again after that. Great, you should have read the sentences. If you haven't paused the video now, let's have a look. I'm going to read the sentences, find the words, and then talk about what the sentence is actually telling us. Yesterday, my sister was 20, so we had a big party with all her friends and family. Okay, so we've got 20. There's our word. So there's a few things I know from that sentence. It was yesterday. It was the person's sister. They had a party because she was 20 and family and friends came. I can imagine that in my head. Let's read the next sentence. When my mum made the table for the dining room, she checked that all the legs were even so that the table wouldn't be wobbly. We don't want a wobbly table. So even in there means that they were the same level. So Mum's making a table for the dining room where they eat. And she's checked all the legs were the same height. So the table wouldn't be wobbly, because if the legs were different sizes, then the table would be all wobbling all over the place and your food would fall on your lap. Let's read the next sentence. Everybody has been staying at home to stop the COVID-19 virus from spreading. Well, that's very true. There we go. Everybody is our first word. So, and everyone has been staying at home. We've all been staying at home. The teachers have been staying at home unless they've been in school. Let's have a look at the next sentence. Oops. Last week we bought 30 sweets and shared them into groups of 5 to give to my cousins. Wow. I think she's got 6 cousins. Last week, so she's, or he or she, it could be a boy, they bought 30 sweets and then they shared them into groups of 5 sweets, and they gave them to their cousins. So I think they must have 6 cousins. He or she must have 6 cousins, because they shared 30 into 5 groups. And I know my division. So there's the word 30. Well done. I knew you could do it. Now it's your turn. Do the worksheet and highlight the words, mix them with others, then find and read the tricky words in the sentences. Okay, pause the video and you have a go at doing that now. Great, everyone. Should have paused the video and found the words and the sentences, and the words in the sentences. And I'll see you back here for challenge 2. Well done.